Hello!
Hi! Welcome to my vlog! We are here in Brooks Point, Palawan. At Shing Spa Resort.
It's a spa.
Shing Spa Resort. Brooks in Palawan. We are now is the swimming here.
Napakalalim.
Is the dive and the patay-patay palata.
Tom, you can try there. Up there. Come on. Underwater. Woo! Oh, mahaba pa yan. Video niyan. Oh, kaya? Mula from here. Balik ko.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco.
One.
Walang dasig.
Ay, bulikat. Ay, bulikat ako. Ay, bulikat daw. Kulang ka sa potassium.
We are here in the,
Ayan guys. Okay. Nandito kami sa resort. Okay. Kasama namin yung Miss Palawan.
Hi! I'm your Miss Palawan.
Sorry guys. She's happy.
I'm happy. I get Miss Congeniality.
Okay. Okay guys. Thank you for watching.